Later, Jesus sat on the Mount of Olives. His disciples came to him privately and said, "Tell us, when will all this happen? What sign will signal your return and the end of the world?" Jesus told them, "Don't let anyone mislead you, for many will come in my name claiming I am the Messiah. They will deceive many. And you will hear of wars and threats of wars. But don't panic. Yes, these things must take place, but the end won't follow immediately. Nation will go to war against nation and kingdom against kingdom. There will be famines and earthquakes in many parts of the world. But all this is only the first of the birth pains, with more to come. Then you will be arrested, persecuted, and killed. You will be hated all over the world because you are my followers. Are you a follower of Jesus Christ, my friend? Remember, actions speak louder than words. And many will turn away from me and betray and hate each other. And many false prophets will appear and will deceive many people. Sin will be rampant everywhere, and the love of many will grow cold. But the one who endures to the end will be saved. And the good news about the kingdom will be preached throughout the whole world, so that all nations will hear it, and then the end will come. My friends, look at this. The word says the good news must reach all nations before the end. Every click, every message, every post can reach someone today. The clock is ticking. The end is coming. Are you sharing Christ where you are, my friend? You have a phone. You have a cell phone. What are you doing with your WhatsApp status, with your Facebook page? Think about it. Who on your phone, in your neighborhood, online, hasn't heard about Jesus yet? You don't need a pulpit. You need the Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit needs your mouth and your obedience. Each one of us can quicken the return of Christ by sharing His word and His gospel.